How to create your first custom Claude skill. Open Claude and start a new chat.
Type / in the chat box.
Select Skill Creator skill to create new skills. Now, tell Claude what you want the skill to do. You can describe how you want the output to look. Or even upload reference files if you have them. Once done, send to Claude. Let Claude generate the skill. Now wait until Claude creates a new skill file. It can take some time. As you can see, Claude created a new skill. Now to save skill, tap on the Save Skill button. As you see, the new Claude skill is added to your skills. That's it. You have created your first custom Claude skill using Skill Creator.